In this video, we're going to demonstrate creating the SMF records for shared memory communications. We're in the Network Configuration Assistant in the TCP/IP profile technology. I'm going to select a TCP/IP stack, pull down Actions, Configure. Now, the SMF information is under Management and Traces, so in this menu, I'm going to select Management and Traces, and then here is the SMF section. If this is your first time here, it will come up in a default configuration. What this box means is that NCA will not generate configuration and instead defaults will be taken. If you want configuration generated, you need to change this from default taken to customize this property. And once you do that, everything on the screen becomes available. Notice Configure SMF 119 type records is selected by default, and all of these start off at default value. The shared memory communications settings are here, and all the default values for shared memory communications are not to include them. So if you want SMF records generated, for each one that you want, you just pull down and select Enable. So in this example, I'm going to enable all 4. And click OK, and it's configured. You can see here it shows that SMF is configured. It shows that Management and Traces is configured. Now furthermore, I'll show you what NCA generates from that configuration. If you pull down Install Configuration Files for the stack, and then if you click on it, you see a preview of the configuration file. And down here at the bottom, you can see the SMF config statement that was generated by this configuration.